Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to stop offensive comments on TikTok Shop Live. So essentially how it works is that once you actually go live, your page is going to look like this here. And then once you go live, we'll actually go live right now. What's going to happen is that you're going to start receiving comments. And so once you start receiving comments, all you have to do is actually hold and press down on the comment. And as you can see, like a toggle window pops up. There's going to be an option here to actually mute the comment or delete the comment. So anytime I'm live streaming and someone actually comes in and writes an offensive comment, I just mute them. And by muting them, it'll actually delete all the previous comments by the individual. So that's how I stop offensive comments on TikTok Shop Live. If you do plan on going live, do expect to actually have a lot of trolls, a lot of people who are just, there for no reason at all and have nothing better to say other than to bother you or nothing better to do. So do expect it, but you'll get through it. Just mute them, and then by muting them, they won't be able to comment anymore on TikTok Shop Live, and they'll also all their chat history that they've said in your window will also be deleted as well. So be quick to comment, just because you don't want to spend a lot of time talking to these trolls who have nothing better to do. But let me know if you guys have any comments, questions, or concerns. I'd be more than happy to help out.